Hi guys, in this video I will guide you on how to use Phone as Gamepad for your TCL TV. And over here I have the TCL Android TV, but this should work out for both your TCL Google TV and your TCL Android TV, literally any TCL TV you have. First things first, you need to head over to the Google Play Store or App Store of your TCL TV. So for the TCL Android TV, you can just go over to the app section of the TV and you should be able to find the Google Play Store app or App Store of your TV from over here. If you're using the TCL Google TV and you do not know how to get to the Google Play Store or App Store, you can simply just use the voice command to say open Google Play Store and it will automatically open up the Google Play Store. In my case, I'll just proceed to open it up directly from here. And once the Google Play Store app opens up, at the top you're going to see this search icon. So just navigate to the search icon and then proceed to search for the Zank remote control app. This is a very popular remote control app and you can already see the suggestion over here. So I'll just go ahead and select on the Zank remote control app and then make sure you download and install this app into your TCL Android TV or your TCL Google TV. And as soon as the Zank remote app is downloaded and installed, before you open it up, you want to come back to the home of your TCL Android TV or your TCL Google TV. Now navigate to the settings icon, usually at the top right corner of the TV. And then once the settings opens up, you want to scroll all the way down to device preferences, from where you're going to find the about option of the TV. If you're using the TCL Google TV, just locate the about option of the TV. At this point, you want to locate the build number or Android TV OS build, as you can see from the bottom over here. You just want to go ahead and tap on it for about 7 times until you become a developer. I have already done that, and as you can see, I am already a developer. Now once you're a developer, you can come out of this option, scroll all the way down, and you should be able to find the developer options from over here. Go ahead and select that as well, and then you want to just make sure that USB debugging is actually enabled. So scroll all the way down, you're going to see USB debugging over here. Select it and then make sure you actually turn it on for your TCL Android TV or your TCL Google TV. And once that is done, now you can come over to your phone, then open up the App Store or Google Play Store of your phone, come over to the search icon at the bottom, and then from the search input at the top of the phone, you just want to go ahead and search for the Zank remote control app as well, and then make sure you also download and install this app into your phone as well. Now that we have the Zank remote control app on our phone and on our TCL Android TV or the TCL Google TV, what you want to do now is to just open up the app. So come over to the list of apps and then proceed to open up the Zank remote control app on your TCL TV. Give it all of the permission it requires by just following all of the on-screen instructions. Click on the allow button, and once you get to this page, you just want to click on the always allow from this computer, then scroll down and click on allow as well. And finally, once you're in this page, you want to open up the Zank remote control app on your phone as well. Also give it all of the permission it requires. And at this point, what you want to do in order to pair both devices is to just click on the home button or home icon at the bottom over here, and automatically you should be able to find all of the TVs or devices that are connected to the same Wi-Fi. Now you can see the name of my TCL Smart TV over here. If you do not find the name of your TCL TV, just make sure that both devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network and try it again. In my case, I'll just go ahead and select it, give it a couple of seconds, and both devices will be paired, as you can see from the bottom over here. You can now control and use your phone as a gamepad for your TCL TV, whether it's the TCL Android or the TCL Google TV. To navigate through the TV, you can simply just use this D-pad option over here to currently navigate. So I can go back to the home of my TCL Android TV or my TCL Google TV, and as you can see, this works absolutely well. And to open up the gamepad option, all you just have to do is to click on this box icon at the top over here, click on the gamepad or controller option at the top as well, and now you have this gamepad. Now you can actually just rotate your phone, so turn off lock orientation and then just open up your phone, turn your phone this way, and you should be able to have this nice looking gamepad. And it actually works absolutely well on your TCL TV to navigate through the TV and even play games on the TV without any problem. So I'm just going to try playing the game now. So you can currently see I am playing games on my TCL TV and this works absolutely well. This is the beach buggy game, and as you can see, once I press on the controller pad, it actually works and it actually controls the game without any problem. If you followed all of the steps and instead of it to work, you're getting some errors on your TCL TV at the bottom, all you just have to do is to delete the applications on both devices, try to pair both devices again, and redo the whole process, and most likely it will work out pretty well for you. As you can see, it is currently working for mine. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.